Hello everyone. Now let's delve deeper into these core components. To consistently achieve exceptional results with Microsoft 365 Copilot, you must fundamentally shift your mindset from simply searching for information to actively directing an intelligence. Think of Copilot not as a standard search engine that merely retrieves data, but rather as an eager, highly capable digital assistant who has just joined your corporate team. If you were to tell a brand new human assistant, write an email about the project, they would understandably have dozens of follow-up questions to clarify your request. This analogy highlights the importance of anticipating these natural questions and proactively providing a structured instructional framework up front, ensuring the AI performs exactly as intended. By anticipating Copilot's natural questions and providing a structured instructional framework up front, you completely eliminate the AI's need to guess, which is often the root cause of generic or irrelevant outputs. This framework, as we've discussed, is universally recognized as the 4 core components of an effective prompt: goal, context, source, and format. Mastering these 4 pillars is arguably the single most important skill for any business professional adopting AI within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. These pillars provide a comprehensive blueprint for crafting prompts that yield precise, relevant, and actionable results, transforming Copilot into an indispensable tool for daily operations. Let us begin with the first essential pillar, the goal. The goal clearly defines the specific task or action you want Copilot to perform. It is the absolute foundation of your prompt and should ideally begin with a strong, precise action verb. Vague goals like "look at this data" or "help me with a presentation" yield unfocused, unpredictable results because they don't give Copilot a clear direction. Instead, your goal must be highly directive, clearly stating what you want the AI to achieve. Are you asking the AI to summarize a long email thread, draft a new vendor proposal, analyze a set of quarterly metrics, or translate a compliance document? Precision here is paramount to guiding Copilot effectively. For instance, consider the difference between a weak and a strong goal. A weak goal might be simply, "Fix this email." This provides no specific instructions, leaving Copilot to make assumptions. A much stronger professional goal, however, would be, "Proofread this email draft for clarity, tone, and correct any grammatical errors." By explicitly stating the exact operation you want the AI to execute, you set a definitive trajectory for the entire output. This precise directive ensures that Copilot focuses its efforts on the specific aspects you want improved, leading to a much more accurate and useful result that aligns perfectly with your expectations for the task at hand. The second pillar is context. Context represents the why and the who of your prompt. It provides the crucial background information that shapes the AI's response, ensuring the output aligns perfectly with your specific, real-world business situation. Without adequate context, Copilot defaults to a generic, neutral tone that may be entirely inappropriate for your needs. When providing context, always consider your target audience and your ultimate objective. For whom are you creating this content? This understanding allows Copilot to tailor its approach effectively. Think about the implications of audience. Are you writing to the executive board, where the tone must be highly formal, concise, and heavily focused on return on investment or ROI? Or are you drafting a message for the company's internal social feed, which should be energetic, engaging, and highly accessible to a broader employee base? Context also involves sharing relevant background constraints. For example, adding, "We are currently 2 weeks behind schedule on this project due to supply chain delays, and I need to gently reassure the client without making false promises," gives Copilot the situational intelligence required to draft a highly empathetic, strategic, and politically safe message that addresses the specific challenges. By defining the persona Copilot should adopt, such as act as a senior financial analyst, and the specific audience it is addressing, you dramatically elevate the relevance, empathy, and sophistication of the generated content. The third pillar, source, is what truly differentiates Microsoft 365 Copilot from standard, public-facing AI chat tools. The source dictates the where. It clearly instructs Copilot on exactly which secure organizational data to use to complete the requested task. Instead of relying on the AI's generalized training data, you can tightly ground your prompts in your actual business files. In the Microsoft 365 ecosystem, you can seamlessly integrate sources by typing a / within the Copilot prompt box. This place is resolute that the source has provided AWay 365 Copilot. The source integrated Copilot is the review that the Copilot first for that all speak CNX. The third pillar, source, is what truly differentiates Microsoft 365 Copilot from standard, public-facing AI chat tools. Instead of relying on the AI's typing a forward prompt box, this simple action allows you to instantly reference specific Word documents, Excel tables, PowerPoint decks, emails, or even Teams meeting transcripts, ensuring that Copilot's response is based on your verified internal data.